Hi, I'm Rick Ballard with Utility Composites. We're the manufacturers of Raptor composite fasteners. Today, I just want to take a little bit of time to introduce a couple tools that are used specifically for Raptor composite staples. This is our compression tagger. It's called the CT-6000P, designed specifically for the Raptor staples, 19 gauge Raptor staples, ranging from 1/4 inch on up to 9/16 inch. And I will briefly show you how to load it up. So you disengage the pusher, you get your sleeve of Raptor staples, slide them in, guide your pusher back into place, push it all the way in, fully lock and engage, and now you're ready to start using. Raptor fasteners can be used in boat building, lumber tagging, lumber wrap, house wrap, cabinetry, general woodworking, case goods, furniture, and casket lining, composites manufacturing, fiberglass layup, resin transfer molding, foam joinery, radiant barrier installation, wire installation,